Yo guys, it's Raku, and in this video I'll be showing you how to get Spotify Plus on any device without needing to jailbreak or root your device. So this works on all iOS versions, all iPhones, all iPods, iPads, and Android devices. I've tried it on all various versions, so it works pretty good. There's a few ways you can get Spotify Plus, but this is the fastest way to get it. But yeah, so first off, what you're gonna need is to have the Spotify app already installed on your device, and you're gonna have to be logged into an account. So it doesn't matter what type of account it is, you just need to have Spotify installed on your device and logged into an account. And once you have that, what you're gonna do is go to your web browser, and it should look something like this. And basically what you're gonna do is put in your username or the email that you used for Spotify, and you're just gonna wait a second, and then you're gonna tap which one you want. Sometimes the 12-month is not available, so you're gonna have to pick the 6th, but usually the 12-month will be, but it depends. And you're just gonna wait for this for the site to inject the Spotify Plus into the files here, and it just takes a few seconds. But yeah, so basically the way it works is that the Spotify Plus app gets injected into apps that are already on the App Store, and so that way you don't have to jailbreak or connect to a computer. So it's actually like pretty convenient that like anybody can just pick up their phone and get Spotify Plus this way. So you're just gonna wait here, and you're gonna tap on the yellow button here, and it's gonna bring you to this page here. And what you're gonna do is tap on one of these apps. It's gonna take you to the App Store, and you're gonna download it. So this app now contains half of the Spotify Plus files, so that's why you're downloading it. So you're just gonna wait till it finishes, and once it's done, you're gonna open it, and you're gonna run the app for 30 seconds to a minute. This is just so the files can unpack into the Spotify app. And yeah, you don't have to do anything particular in the app, you just have to run it for 30 seconds to a minute. And once you're done that, you're just gonna go back to your browser, go back to this page, and you're gonna download a second app, do the exact same thing, and that's gonna be the final half. So you download it, run it for 30 seconds, and yeah, once you're done the second app, what you're gonna do is power off your device completely, boot it back up, and you'll find that the two apps that you downloaded should disappear. If they did not disappear, then you can delete them, but usually they will disappear on their own, and your Spotify will be automatically upgraded to the premium. So yeah, if you guys don't know, Spotify Plus is basically the premium version of Spotify for free, and yeah, it's definitely worth it. Here, let me just show you guys. My account is premium. 1 second. And account, there we go. So as you can see here, it's gonna focus. Damn. Yeah, my account is premium, and yeah, so basically it should just update your account that you logged into to be premium. Let me try to fix that focus for you guys. It's really strange. There we go. Premium. Yeah, anyways guys, comment down below if you have any questions, and also if it's not working for you for some reason, or if you have too slow Wi-Fi or something, just subscribe to the channel, like the video, and comment down below what device you're using, and I'll get back to you and I'll help you get it installed. And if you have any other tweak videos you want me to do, just let me know and I'll look into it. And yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed. Peace.